This is the brand new Logitech Flip Folio, a keyboard case for iPad that is designed to be both fun and functional. Flip Folio provides front and back protection and offers unique features that allow you to have fun on the go. The Flip Folio comes in 5 color options and 2 sizes that are compatible with 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Pro and Air models. In the box, you get the Flip Folio case, a keyboard with pre-installed CR2016 batteries, and user documentation. Setting up your brand new Logitech Flip Folio is easy. First, open the case and place your iPad on it. Magnets will securely attach the iPad to the Folio case. Then, you fold the front cover here on the crease, using the reference sticker as a guide for the bend point. Then, flip it back to prop up the iPad. It will attach to the case and transform into a stand. You can adjust the viewing angle if you wish. To connect the Bluetooth keyboard, first pull out the battery tab. The keyboard will automatically power on. Now, go to your iPad's Bluetooth settings and select the Flip Folio keyboard. Type the on-screen code using the keyboard and press return. You've now connected the Bluetooth keyboard to your iPad. Now that we're all set up, let's take a look at the features of the Flip Folio. The iPad can be used in both portrait and landscape orientations, offering great flexibility for various uses. The case offers all front and back protection for your iPad, keeping it safe from bumps and scratches. The included Bluetooth keyboard is a versatile companion with lots of useful features. The shortcut key allows you to perform a lot of iPad shortcuts with just a click of the button, thus saving you time. There's also support for Easy Switch, which allows you to connect the keyboard to 3 devices and switch between them seamlessly. And this keyboard can do all that with an insane 2-year battery life, so you can just keep doing what you love without any worry. Finally, you can tuck away the keyboard to the back of your Logitech Flip Folio thanks to the magnets. With a case that features a stowable keyboard and front and back protection, Flip Folio lets you continue doing what you love wherever you are. If you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.